Hello everybody. In this tutorial we're going to explore how we can make the templates for SolidWorks. We're going to go to File, we're going to pick the New. On the default section we're going to click the part and say OK. Now whatever opens here by default, that's a template where the background has been set up perfect, certain tools been set up perfect, certain other details been set up perfect. So altogether, when you open a part file and by default you open this part file, or you go to advanced and you open this part file, that's the template. Now you can make your personal template here, which may have different backgrounds. It may have particular units that you might give. It may have color changes or interface changes. So let's take a look how we do that. So you go here, File, I'm going to go to New. I'm going to go to Templates. I'm going to click the part. Again, from where we got this is Advanced, and I'm going to click on Part. I'm here. Now, I'm going to pick the background color change for my preferences. The tools that you want here, you go to Tools, and I'm going to go down to the Options. So you can pop up the same thing from here. I'm going to go here and Option. Once the option panel is here, you go to View, and this by default this is unchecked. It's a reverse mouse wheel zoom direction. I'm going to do that as well. Now this view orientation arrow key is 15 degrees. I would like to keep it to 5 degrees. So when I work with my model and when I use arrow keys left to right, I have like a minimum movement. So that's right here. All the details it's gonna go to image quality. By default it's somewhere in the middle. If you bring it low, you see it's very low, and you can see a little hexagon here, but it's ideally circle. So if you increase it, it's gonna make it more and more clear. But further you go to the right, your machine will be slower. As you can see here, the red zone is like, unless you have a very good hardware, you go beyond that point. But I'm going to keep it here. According to your hardware, choose somewhere from here to here. That'd be advisable. And I'm going to click OK for this. So it's perfect. Now I set everything that I needed. If you want some tools to be dragged onto the screen, you can do that too. You can go to Options and Customize, and you can take a look what types of commands or tools you need, and you can just drag and drop on the command manager right here. So now everything is done here so far exactly the way I want it. You can keep changing the way you want, and once everything is done, all the changes been made to the file, make sure you don't make anything inside here. Keep this place empty, and after that we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Save As. From here, what we're going to do as a Save As type, I'm going to click there, and the third option is Part Templates. Start.part dot. That's what we want to click. Once you click here, you'll see that the address bar has been changed here, and it locates where the default template has been saved. You can just change this name to the name that you really want. I'm gonna do is I'm typing the wrong place. I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna get, and once this is done, I'm just gonna hit save. Now what this does, it really saves my templates as a default. So for the next time when I go here to File and go to New, and if I'm into the detail or advanced mode, I mean if I'm here I will not be able to see, but if I go to advanced mode and click on this, and it's going to bring my personal template, which is all the data, all the details, all the customizations that I made and saved in a template file. It's very useful to have a template. Makes everything unified, so you don't have to set up every time you open up a SolidWorks. I think that's pretty much. I hope this tutorial was informative. Thank you for watching.